So hello everyone, we are now going to solve the question of the database. We'll use the Oracle SQL syntax to solve this question, and the question is very simple. So its first question, it will be the simple, of course. The name is the combined two tables. Okay, so we'll go directly on the description. So here the explanation is: write a solution to report the first name, last name, city and the state of each persons in the person table. Okay, so first table name is person, and from that we have to display this information like first name, last name, city and the state of the person's table. If the address of a person id present in the address table, report null instead. ओके, तो इसका कहना ऐसा है कि पर्सन्स टेबल में जितना भी डेटा है वो हमें कंबाइन करके डिस्प्ले करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द एड्रेस टेबल. एंड इफ़ किसी पर्सन का एड्रेस अगर एड्रेस टेबल में मेंशन नहीं है तो सिंपली हमें इंस्टेड ऑफ स्किपिंग दैट कंप्लीट इंटायर रो वी हैव टू मेंशन सिंपली नल ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ सिटी एंड द स्टेट. ओके, so we'll directly start writing the query without wasting any time. So we have to go by following this step. Okay, so firstly we have to mention the first name, then last name, then city and the states. Okay, so we'll write these four column names in the our select clause. So syntax is the select first name comma last name, then city comma state. Okay, so for making the query in more understandable way, I'll write the select, then from and then condition like this to understand it properly. Okay, so these four columns are going to display. Okay, then we have to mention the from clause. So, from the first table name is the person. Okay, so person, we have to write the join condition. So in Oracle we can simply join by using the comma also, but we'll go with the ANSI syntax. So if you are using MySQL, then also it will be work. So we have to mention the left columns all the details cause I am writing person in the left hand. Okay, so we'll simply write the condition as left outer join, and the another table name is the address. Okay, okay, so right when we use the ANSI syntax, then we have to mention on here and where we mention the join condition. So here will be person dot person id is equal to address dot person id. Okay, so dot is the pointer here, means it will fetch that person id from the person's table, and this column will be fetched from the address table. Okay, so it will work out. We'll simply run this code and we'll check is it matching the query or giving the correct output. Okay, right, so we got our output. See, we have mentioned the left outer join here, so it will display all the fields, all the rows from the person's table here. See, we have the this everything expected output is Alan and Bob. Okay, so here it only mentioned the result for return the result table in any order, so it order doesn't matter here, the output is proper. Okay, so we'll simply submit to check the further text cases. Okay, yes, so completely we did it right. Okay, time complexity doesn't matter in the SQL that much. Okay, is the basic, so submit. Okay, then thank you.